Good day, my name is Martin Ramura. I am 5 years chicken deboner. Today I'm gonna show you how to primal cut the whole chicken. First, I'm gonna separate the whole leg. This is the whole leg. This is the whole leg. And then, second, I'm gonna separate the wings, chicken wings. This is the chicken wings. This is the chicken wings. And then, thirdly, I'm gonna remove the neck. This is the chicken neck. And then, I'm gonna separate the chicken breast and then the backbone chicken. This is the chicken breast, and then this is the backbone of chicken. Then I'm gonna remove the chicken legs. This is the chicken legs. This is the chicken legs. And then I'm gonna separate the wings. This is the wings. This is the wings. And then I'm gonna separate the chicken backbone and the chicken breast. This is the chicken breast. This is the chicken backbone. And then I'm gonna remove the chicken legs. Whole chicken legs. This is the whole chicken legs. This is the whole chicken legs. And then I'm gonna separate the backbone and the breast. This is the backbone. And I'm gonna separate the wings. This is the wings. This is the wings. And I'm gonna separate the chicken neck. This is the chicken neck. And this is the chicken breast. And then I'm gonna remove the whole leg chicken. This is the whole leg chicken. This is the whole leg chicken. And we separate the chicken wings. This is the chicken wings. This is the chicken wings. And then I'm gonna separate the backbone of the chicken and the chicken breast. This is the backbone of chicken, and then I'm gonna remove the chicken neck. This is the chicken neck, the backbone of the chicken, and the chicken breast. I'm gonna remove the chicken leg. This is the chicken leg. This is the chicken leg. This is the chicken wings. This is the chicken wings. And then remove the neck bone of the chicken. This is the neck bone of the chicken. And then separate the backbone of the chicken and the chicken breast. This is the chicken breast. And this is the backbone of the chicken.